Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube SEO to help you skyrocket your channel's visibility. Get ready for an in-depth comparison between two powerhouse tools, Koala Writer and VidIQ. The links to Koala Writer and VidIQ are in the description. First in the ring, we have Koala Writer. This user-friendly platform is a content creator's dream, offering a suite of tools to optimize your video descriptions, titles, and tags for maximum searchability. With Koala Writer, you'll breeze through keyword research with ease, uncovering hidden gems to boost your video's discoverability. Plus, its real-time SEO scoring feature gives you instant feedback on your optimization efforts, ensuring your content stands out in the crowded YouTube landscape. Next up, we have VidIQ. This powerhouse platform goes beyond basic optimization, providing creators with a treasure trove of analytics to supercharge their channel growth. With VidIQ, you'll dive deep into your channel's performance, tracking keywords, analyzing competitors, and identifying emerging trends to stay ahead of the curve. It's like having a personal YouTube analytics guru at your fingertips. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. Koala Writer shines in content creation and optimization, offering a user-friendly interface and powerful keyword research tools. Meanwhile, VidIQ excels in analytics, providing in-depth insights to drive channel growth and capitalize on emerging trends. So, which tool is right for you? Whether you prioritize content creation or analytics-driven optimization, both Koala Writer and VidIQ offer unique advantages to enhance your YouTube presence. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.